In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a quote in Ownerrez. To get started, open Ownerrez and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen, where the main navigation menu is located. This menu gives you access to the different areas of the platform, and for this task, that's where you'll begin. From the left side menu, click on Quotes. This will take you to the Quotes section, where you can view the list of quotes that have already been created. If you have multiple quotes in your account, take a moment to locate the one you want to update so you can make changes to the correct record. Once you've found the quote you want to work on, click on the pencil icon next to it. The pencil icon is the standard edit symbol, so this is what you'll use anytime you want to modify an existing quote from the list view. After that, you'll be taken inside the quote itself. Here, you can review the quote details before making any changes. This is helpful if you want to confirm that you've opened the right quote and quickly check the existing information. Next, look for the pencil icon again from within the quote. Click that edit icon to open the quote in edit mode. This extra step is important because it moves you from simply viewing the quote to actually being able to make changes. Now you can start editing. Update the information you need to change directly in the quote. As you go, it's a good idea to review each field carefully so your updates are accurate and complete. Taking a few extra seconds here can help prevent mistakes and save you from having to come back and edit the quote again later. Once you're done editing, do a final review of the updated details. Make sure everything looks the way you want before saving. This is especially useful if the quote includes pricing, dates, or other booking related information that needs to be correct. When you're ready, click Save. We'll apply your changes and update the quote in Ownerrez. After saving, the quote is updated successfully. At this point, your edits are now reflected in the system, and the quote should show the new information you entered. And that's all it takes to edit a quote in Ownerrez. It's a simple process once you know where to click, and following these steps carefully will help ensure your quote updates are made quickly and correctly.